This video is for educational purposes only. Don't repeat the actions shown in this video.
Update. Alright guys, so that's definitely surprising. Hi everyone, for a while now I've been looking into different tools and trying to understand how they work. And today I'm just showing you one of the things I came across. But before we continue, I want to say that all I'm about to show you guys is just my personal experience. And I don't give financial advice and it's only for entertainment. Okay, it's my Telegram channel. You can pause the video and copy the name. I click here and here it is. I'm just gonna start this and show you what's happening here. Okay, give me just a moment. Okay, so all the necessary info here, guys. I need this one. And this one. And the next, this. Okay. Okay, I always double check this part, guys. It's loading. Nice. And then I tried this one. Wait. Okay. All right. This one and this. Okay, nice. Good. And the max I like here. Okay, do you see this thing? Give me just a sec. Yep. Give me just a moment, guys. And no promises, just my own experiments and the real-time reaction, guys. Don't be stupid idiot. Don't repeat it. And reload this page. Nice. Okay. Okay. All right. Here. Okay. And this. Okay. Nice. Good. And the next. And I won't choose this one. Okay. Give me just a moment, guys. And don't be stupid idiot, guys. Don't repeat it. Okay, give me just a sec. Okay, copy. And I paste it. And I click. Okay, reload this page. Nice. And continue. And okay. Okay. What the fuck, guys? Okay, I choose this one. Okay. I'm sorry. Give me just a moment. Here. Don't repeat it, guys, please. Don't repeat it. Highlight this one. Okay, and reload. Nice. Okay, please. Don't repeat. Okay. Okay, I can continue. No promises, guys. It's only all experiments. Okay, I click here and okay, and the last. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my, that's crazy. Okay, I click here. Copy this one and paste it. And I can refresh. Update. Alright, guys, so that's definitely surprising. Did you expect that? Just to be clear, this is only my personal experience.